got my gummy bears that have been soaking. Here's the one that was in the tap water. You can see that it's a lot bigger, swelled up. Here's the one that was in the salt water, and it's a lot smaller. The reason for this is the reason the one in the tap water swelled up is because water is moved by diffusion through the bear's membrane to reach an isotonic state where the concentration of the water molecules will equal the inside and the outside of the bear, become the same. And with the saltwater one, what happened is the salt water has 10 to 20 times more molecules than the gummy bear does. And because of osmosis, the water molecules move to an area with more solute in them to balance things. And that's my reasoning. And then try to get one last size difference. Saltwater bear, tap water bear.